Hey friends, if you encounter 100% disk usage in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and download each and every update possible. Click on check for updates, make sure each and every update is installed. Once this has been sorted out, then perform a disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK, check all of the boxes here. Click on OK and then finally select delete files. Okay, this is one thing. And then the next solution will be as follows that you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter. Then you can disable the startup processes. So right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Now uh, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select startup in the right pane. Turn all of these checkboxes off. Okay, each and every one of them. And then restart your computer. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart. This will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.